Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrappin' Happy. Well, we've had the drawing. Instead of 2, I'm doing 3 because I couldn't help myself. Grandma Gaye, my friend Gaye, who sent me the Happy Mail with these fabulous paper packs in them and the linen napkin that we used on the cover, is pretty appropriate that she should win. My friend Dale at Not Too Shabby Chic. If you haven't watched her stuff, you really need to. I will link her channel below. And Ali Couzens, who I've just met, and she's become a part of our Scrappin' Happy family, goes by Ali. And she's the one who gave me the suggestion to put the fabric pocket on the back inside cover to put the little booklet in because it was too fat to fit somewhere else. So I'm excited. Each of you get this pack, the download of the Wordy Birds from Laura at ThePaperedSoul. I will of course link that below. I have Gaye and Dale's email address already, so y'all don't need to do anything. Just sit there and wait on this goodness to come to your box. Ali, I need to get your email address. I'll try to contact you, but if you see this before I find you on Facebook or something, holler. I just need your email address. All right, ladies, thank you so much for your encouragement. It was so fun working with y'all and, being encouraged by you. It was very helpful. I appreciate y'all. Okay, well, listen, go check your emails and go play and show me what you do with your Wordy Birds. I can't wait to see. Thanks.